Come, little children, come to me. How to make papad you can see. Run and get the items we need. Follow me, I will take the lead. The sun is bright, the sky is clear. The weather is good, so do not fear. Get the pots and get the pans. Work more, talk less is the plan.
Fill the pickle in the pot. Keep it in the sun while it's hot. Keep it in an open place. It will stay fresh and won't go stale.
Keep the papad away from the rain or all your efforts will go in vain. Once in a while, turn them around. Get the papads crispy and round. TV, radio give the weather forecast. The newspaper will tell you how long the rain will last. From the weather broadcast, make a guess of the future forecast. Come and help your granny if you want to enjoy papad, crispy and briny.
Here comes the month of May with heat and storms all day. But look what the newspapers say. It could be sunny or rainy any day.
I am really confused. How can it be raining during the summer months? I hope the newspapers are correct.
By the way, what's the difference between weather and season?
The weather changes from day to day. It was sunny yesterday, cloudy today. Seasons linger for months together. What changes daily is the weather. Fall, summer, winter, spring. These are all the seasons we call.
We have learned about the difference between season and weather. Now let's learn about the symbols shown on a weather chart and predict the weather conditions. Friends, it is your turn now. Prepare a weather report and share it with your friends. Also, find out who forecast and report the weather and what are they called.